Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your display name on Roblox account. So I'm using from PC, you can use from your Android phone, smartphone, iPhone, anything else. Then you need to go the settings option. Here you can see the settings. Simply click here and then you'll see settings, and after that you can see the option account information, this one, and after that display name. So you can see there is a little symbol, it's the editing symbol. Simply click here, then you can change your name. Like, important, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So it means that you can change your name uh, one time in a 7 days. So I'm just going to give my name here, display name, content and unsupported character. So I think it needs to not space, or okay, I just give this one. You don't need to look more longer. I'm just give here, and if I, you can see save successfully, and you can see display name change. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.